Okay, I think everyone needs to go and get one of these things. Yes, it's an air compressor, so let's check that out first. Alright, got me all filled up pretty good here. So, the air compressor works. If you place this in the appropriate spot where your jack goes, push this up button, it'll jack your tire up. And then just hit the down button, it goes in opposite direction. And that's pretty cool, but wait, there's more. It comes with this bad boy right here. This is a wrench. Now, if this works, you would have to absolutely be crazy not to buy this thing right now. And then got a left for loosen and T for tighten. Let's see if it works. All you do is take the cord out the compressor and place it in here. Wait a minute, did y'all see that? Did y'all see that thing come out of there so quick? Did y'all? Hold up, let me put it back on. Hold on, let's see. T for tighten. I think that went a little bit too smooth. I need to do that over. Let's see. Let's see. So let's put it back on again. What I tell y'all about this company, y'all better quit playing. Better quit playing. This is worth its weight in gold, especially when I got my baby traveling back and forth trying to get her master's degree. Cause y'all sure ain't teaching y'all boys how to do none of this. It got to the point where the boys down in Prairie View, Texas, calling her to help dealing with their cars. I think I'm going to have to do a full review on this thing. But right now, thoroughly impressed. Click on the link, grab you one.